Wanna look good, we gotta do what we gotta do, okay?
I am amazing, brave today. I rearrange my brain today. I rearrange my ways.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please like and subscribe for more videos. I'll be a part of the fam, okay? My full beat routine, okay? Like if I'm trying to take pics, if I'm trying to look bomb, this is what I do, okay? Alright guys, starting off, I'm going in with my concealer that is about my skin tone, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into my eyelids to cover up any discoloration. Then I'm going in with an even lighter, I'm talking light concealer, and I'm blending that in just to make the eyeshadow more pigmented. I put the caramel color on my transition on my crease. Then I'm going with the purple shade, and I'm doing a halo eye. So basically you just take an eyeshadow color and you place it in the corners of your eyes. Then I am going to go ahead and deepen that up with a darker brown and applying that on top of that. Then from there, I'm going in with my concealer, and I am going to create that halo in the middle. And I'm going in with a shimmery shade. And then from there, once I apply it, I'm just going to take my blending brush and make sure I blend the edges of the halo eye, so there's no line of demarcation. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. shimmer palette pigment thing, and I'm applying that in the center just to add more color. And then I'm going in just making sure I blend the areas that necessary. And I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeliner now, and I am now applying a liner to my eyes, a little wing, and then I'm going in to clean it up. No one's perfect, okay? And I'm going in with the shimmery shade in the eyeshadow palette and applying it to my inner corner. Then from there, I'm just applying mascara, going in with my favorite lashes currently that I always buy from the beauty supply store. And I am applying my eyeliner. Ooh, my edges are crusty. I need to start wearing headbands whenever I'm doing these tutorials, because every time I look at my hair, I'm just like, Lord. And the wigs are good too. Like I just don't take care of my edges, I guess. I need to put edge control before I do a tutorial or something. I don't know. Anyways, going into my skin. Okay, I'm wiping off any excess makeup that may have been on my face, right? Going with my Juvias Place foundation. This is breaking out. I need something to cover, okay? But this foundation was way too dry. My skin was dry as hell that day, and I wouldn't have chosen this foundation. Choose something else. I mean, it's a bomb foundation. It for me, for that day, it didn't work for me. All right, so anyways, I'm applying the foundation with a brush. I would have used a sponge for a lighter application, especially since it was that time of the month, sis. My skin was acting crazy. But yeah, now going in with my concealer by Maybelline. This has been an oldie but a goodie concealer. It's like $3. It's fire. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer onto my face, blending that bad boy out. Then from there, I am going in with my contour. I'm taking my ColourPop concealer. I'm in love. I prefer cream contours over powder. Like it hits different. I don't know what it is, but it just makes me look like I just lost 5 pounds. I'm here for it. I don't know about y'all, but I'm here for it. All right, so once that's blended, look how good it looks. Come on now, look at my contour. All right, I'm going in with my Hourglass Mineral Veil powder. I like this powder because yes, it is white, but it actually doesn't leave a flashback. Like I'm actually really impressed by it, and it's hydrating because I have combination skin. I get dry and oily at all times. I don't know, it just depends on the day. So now I'm going in with that powder, and I am cleaning up my nose for my nose to look a little skinny, because you know you got that African fat nose, you know. We're gonna make that little skinny. Then I'm gonna clean underneath my contour, you know, to make it look like I lost 6 pounds instead of 5 pounds, you know. We're just gonna sharpen that face up, a little catfish moment, you know. And I'm probably dancing to listening to Cardi B, to be honest, or an Afrobeat. I don't know. But anyways, going in with my Sephora powder. Don't sleep on this. I'm blending out the powder on my face. Then I'm going in with the powder contour just to be extra. And I am going to deepen the contour a little bit, you know, just you know, trying to look, instead of 6 pounds, I'm gonna look like I lost 7 pounds, you know, just a little catfish right here. Okay, I'm blending that into my skin, you know. Why do I fast forward like on my eyeshadow and then I like don't do anything about my face? Like, anyways, from there I am taking my Makeup Forever kit that I created. I'm just applying my orange and berry shade. Oh my god, these look so good on dark skin. Check out Makeup Forever. Yes, they're a little pricey, but they are worth it, and you can use it as eyeshadow as well. So I'm applying that to my cheeks, and guys, I love blush. Like, blush is my jam. All right, it just hits different. Now I'm going in with this MAC highlighter. I think it's limited edition, and it has like a pink sheeny to it. Do y'all see that? It's pretty. Like, it's really, really, really pretty. So I'm just highlighting all over my face pretty much. Then I'm taking this Sleek palette, which is pretty old actually, and I'm taking that light shade right there, and then boom. I forgot about this palette actually. I was like, dang, this shit light. Anyways, I'm blending that out. Blending the highlight out. And just wanted to intensify the highlight that's currently on there. And I'm really breaking out, so I don't even know why I'm going ham with highlighter. Like, I shouldn't. And then of course I'm dancing. Then I'm going in with the caramel and brown shade. Guys, I said I was using my e.l.f. palette. I definitely was using my Morphe. I lied. Wow, a bitch forgot. I'm sorry, guys. Forgive me. Anyways, I'm taking those two shades and I'm blending it underneath my eyes, and then boom, I'm going in with that inner tear duct color. I used to not like this, but now it's a vibe. Going in with my mascara. The Lash Stiletto is fire. I've used other mascaras, but this is pretty good. It compares to like my $40 mascaras. All right, now going in with my lip liner. This is the just grab any brown lip liner, sis. It don't even have to be what I'm wearing, to be honest. And then I am going in with, I really don't even know. I'm gonna list the products that I use down below. Okay, I promise. This time I'll do it, because I got a complaint saying I never listed products down below. And I felt attacked, and I was like, dang, sis, you right. I don't. I need to stop slacking. So I will list all the products I use down below, okay? And then once that is done, I'm just going back with my brown lip liner, you know, just, you know, trying to make sure my lip color blends. My favorite part of makeup is eyebrows, skin, and lips. I don't really care for eyeshadow, to be honest, but it looks fire. Look at that. Can't tell me nothing. Ooh, let me fix my edges. They were looking crusty. Okay, so once my edges are, you know, I wouldn't say laid, but like, you know, they look good. They look good. And check out my earrings, guys. This is from my friend Molly. She has a whole website. I will link her website down below. It's fire. I got like 2 pairs of earrings. And look, I hope y'all like it. I will see you guys later. Check out my next video. What you doing, sis? Subscribe and like my video. Bye.